In front of me is OPPO Reno 13FS, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Setting up screen lock is very important to protect everything you keep on your smartphone. To do it on this OPPO, just go into settings and scroll down a tiny bit to access security and privacy section. Then scroll again, but this time tap on device unlock. Now select screen lock and pick one of those password types: numeric, alphanumeric or pattern. Quick tip, actually you can tap on whatever you want to and change it later on. So just click on one of them, wait 5 seconds and read important notice pop-up before hitting next. Then tap on use a different password type and pick one of those. 4 digits, 6 digits, 4 to 16 digits, alphanumeric or pattern. Whatever you decided, after tapping on the best one, just create it. Then repeat it to confirm it. And if you want to add your fingerprint unlock right away, hit enable in this pop-up, tap on agree in statement of use 1, and follow all of those instructions. If you don't want to do it now, tap on cancel in the pop-up or use this X at the top left corner. Quick tip, if you want to go back to it in the future, you can locate it in device unlock section over here. Anyway, so now when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!